Hello and welcome to the new tutorial in which we will discover what is the IDM application and how to use it. The IDM application is an abbreviation of Identity Management Application. So in this application, we can create users and groups and affect users to those groups and also to give access permissions to them. So let's create a user. We give her a password. So once the user is created, we can modify the password and change the details or delete this user. So now we will go to the groups and create our first group. This group will be the human resources. And we will affect to him the user that we have created. So now we can go to the privileges, where we can give the access permissions to the created users and groups. By default, all those applications are accessible by the default user, and we can add the groups and the users that we have created. So now let's log out and try to access to Flowable through the new user. As you can see, this user didn't have the accessibility to all the applications. We have given this user just the access to the task application and the modular and the different created workflow. So if you have any question, feel free to ask them in the comment below, and see you in the next video.